Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you
Good morning. Baby biara wo memawache, memawaha, memawajo. Anopense wedo twede ampo ase se adom no adom ye na ye di edwumedi eba makwan. Megidi se obi biara ho ye. You are once again welcome to another edition of Legal Hour with BWF Solicitors. Today I'm super excited to hold this program. It's really very educational, very things that we are going to talk about on litigations, immigrations, and things concerning immigration, legal hour in this country. I don't know, but I'm just fumbling this morning because of just emergency message I just received. You remember Obibia Sakwa Babium na ene dwumedi ye de ba ma kwan no ye gidi se obi ani beje ho na nyoma ye ba beka ho asem no ebeto wasom na eba mesre wani die mo bomode ana share na obi biara ensanka midamase metwa me ho sisima pe na me sisi me ho meba sisi a mesre.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
adɔfoɔ ahwɛfoɔ etiefoɔ mɛsa ma mo nyinaa akɔ aba momfa nkyɛ me earlier on nsɛm bi wɔ hɔ a yɛnka n'anɔpa na woka n'anɔpa saa na wasɛe obi the whole day, but it's all good. Yɛde bɛhyɛ Nyankopɔn nsa. Mɛma mo akɔ aba biom ɛba dwumadi a efiade biara yɛde ba mo akwan. Ɛnɛ nso adom na yɛakɔfa aba na nsɛm a ɛretwa gu na nkurɔfoɔ edi ho abooboo ɛtete wɔ ho no ɛna ɛdi mmirika ɛde aba. Menya aka kyerɛ mo sɛ when it comes to BWF Solicitors a na one step ahead. Debi biara ansa na nsɛm no mpo ɛbɛpie free home office no na ɔmo ate na ɔmo de abrɛ community ne sɛ hwɛ monyɛ ahwɛyie anaa monyɛ ne sei na sei na ɛɛba anaa sei na yɛate. Nti Sarah na ɛnɛ topic a yɛde bɛba mo akwan ɛyɛ me de pii because dodoɔ na ɛnya problems ɛwɔ ho. Na ɛteɛ ne sɛ ɛnɛ menya me resource person very open mu na ankasa ɛyɛ yɛnya yɛ papa Uncle Ben ɛna me ne no bɛdi dwuma no na me nua ba nso ɛwɔ hɔ ɔno nso owie a ɔde English version of the program no nso abɛto dwa ɛde ama yɛn na ɛma other countries na ɔyɛ neighboring countries na ɔmo nte yɛn kurom kasa no ɔmo nso ɔmo ate aseɛ. Na mede nkyia kɛseɛ nso ɛma obi biara a ɔba ahoma no so anaasɛ ɔhwɛ yɛn wɔ Facebook, ɔhwɛ wɔ YouTube, anaa mpo wotie wɔ BW Radio. Obi bisa me da no BW Radio benya ne hemfa. Sɛ wohwehwɛ BW Radio in case na wo drive anaasɛ biribi a bɔ mmɔden na kɔ it's still on the web. Na wode type kɔ Radio Garden. Wokɔ Radio Garden na wa type BW Radio. Uboya na se uko even Ghana modern Ghana and so now but BW radio ebepie efre ho you can tune it now start it utie embia now drive unto me nhwe na wetie eno nso ho the uka wave na very faint uti bibia kama fine we kasa obetia no interruption cry until betumi nso etie o BW radio BW Solicitors ayene omudi dwuma munim bebia omowo ohwehwe omo etira kwan okọ fourth floor ewo Anna house no sa fourth floor Anna house ne kre wo hemfa ewo seven sisters ne meka seven sisters kroma obi anim seven sisters ewo UK ana London abonten so na se wo ba with underground obefa Victoria line furu bus nso a buses bebre popular one minim pa ye 149 from London Bridge ebegina enim pe na wesi na wetumi ahu tube station ne so a obehu bansoro kakra kebi ewo honom obehu ukọ yatro dan ho Anna house ukọ fourth floor omahwe oyi embia na baby a wo no wo Scotland wo Wales wo ye kan say York say what baby a wo no to London kwan mu wa na oba bisa ho se na meye dem kra na maba BWF Solicitors for ho na omedi masema ama me omo si ensuro ne etie ne say omo tumi a video consultation omo tumi a phone consultation baby biara wo bia all you need to do ni say obe free telephone 0208 493 7340 no o free so a obi beje so kama no mo bookie appointment say ope video consultation a ye be ya ma ope baby se ne ope ni bia at the comfort of your home no o metumi no ayesa consultation no na wo de wonsem akomo mo nti mo share no nso so yo ena ye bekọ endwumedie ne so na ye bekọ endwumedie ne so no me ba mo nkae se nyame ya adom ochina the community and the law beba na enya ba ya endwumedie a ye di no so ye beto aso na etie ne se Debi biara obi apese obeye adwuma ewo krom ha care work abama dodro na dom nso no so many companies apply na omanya license na ene ye ba bedi ho enkomo me pese Uncle Ben de nchi akese emetiefo na ahwefo na afedie no asha enti Uncle Ben pacha me ma wakwa aba
Manye ti yɛda wase o anɔpɛ yi nyame adaroma wama yɛn nkwa ama yɛn nyinaa yɛasɔre yɛda no ase twɛdeɛ mpo nyame adaroma nti menim sɛ biribi a ɛwɔ hɔ biara ɛm sɛ wonim deɛ mɛka no wɔbɛsɔlvo problem biara ni hɔ once a wahyɛ yɛn den na ɔse yɛn nkɔ so na ɔwɔ hɔ ma yɛn da biara atifoɔ anuanom adɔfo ɛnanom ne agya mo anɔpɛ yi yɛkyia mu nyinaa yɛda mo ase sɛ moabɛka yɛn ho yɛdame nhyira ma mo yɛbɔ mpae sɛ deda wakoma so biara ɛnɛ Awurade bɛyɛ na mmom sɛna yɛ nuabaa Manye T Kaya. Topics normally are dictated by circumstances. Ebi a bibi a yehu nti epese ebo bia koko ansana ato community no. Sana beya yebitimi so ano. Na afe ye ka problems kwa. Ye ka problems ye ma solutions. Sa subject here ye baby ye the solutions no ba be 2 months ago. By na mesan solutions no so kakra whilst I highlight problems a bit me aba no deɛ yɛhunu sɛ sɛbio EU asetena no kɔɔeɛ no na nkurɔfoɔ bebree bobo sɛ o na ɛbɛyɛ dɛn a yɛso aba kurom ha nyame nkyɛ adeɛ afie atwa mu yi aban de bɛto dwa sɛ mo a mowɔ care a mohia carers no UK hia carers so much sɛ ɔmo vacancies of between 250,000 to about 450,000 into mu nkurɔfoɔ sɛ ɔmbɛba ha bɛyɛ adwuma na deɛ ɛboa care adwuma no sɛ wohia qualification biara ɛnyɛ obi a wakɔ university anaasɛ sɛbio wowɔ particular skill bi adeɛ ɛhia ne sɛ wotumi ka borɔfo twerɛ borɔfo ɛredi borɔfo na obi kasa wɔ borɔfo mu a wɔte aseɛ deɛ ɛhia no no nti ɛyɛ adeɛ a sɛbio boa businesses no because care business no ɔmo yɛ adwuma wɔ mu nyinaa na part time fo nko a obi wɔ na ɔba akyerɛ mma wohia obi a wafrɛ no ɔsɛ daabi me mma nti wei no boa ma care ɛne health care especially ɔmo wɔ health care no ɔmo tumi nya nkurɔfoɔ sɛ ɔmo wɔ ha anaa ɔmo fi baabi ba ɛbɛyɛ adwuma otumi tie ne in for 3 years anaa 5 years na nipa no wɔ hɔ a ɔyɛ adwuma dodoɔ na yɛ adwuma kama ɔmo di ɔmo ho ni ɛhwɛ ɔmo a wɔsɛ ɔmo hwɛ ɔmo because care adwuma no sɛ wanyɛ ne yie a tumi de nsusuaho so bebree brɛ ona no ɔmo tumi agye contract ne firi ne nsɛm sɛ ɛyɛ NHS anaasɛ ɛyɛ council because ebi a nipa no ɔkɔɛ no wanyɛ adwuma no yie bɛn ne ade a yɛ focus on yɛ tumi a aban ayɛ frɛ no home office ɔde ama care foɔ no ama ɔmo tumi de nkurɔfoɔ efi kurom ɛba anaasɛ ebi ɔmo wɔ ha dada no so ɔyɛ student anaa ɔwɔ ha temporary no otimi gye no ma n'asetena anyɛ ɔno nko a otimi gye no ne ho kafo ne ku ana ne yere ɛne ne mma de ɔmo Ghana anaa kuro biara so de ɔmo ba ti yɛpɛ sɛ yɛbuebue nneɛma bi ne so na sɛ na de biara yɛyɛ no yɛbuebue ne a sɛ na ɛbɛyɛ a ɛnkɔyɛ hearsay anaa gossip no yɛkyerɛ adeɛ nti a yɛgyina so de yɛ the first thing who Google sisi a wode hyɛ mu sɛ other way before care industry under investigation and care industry and modern slavery eyi nneɛma bebree ɛde ba yɛyɛ aware sɛ some companies at least minimum one Ghanaian company ɛnyɛ only so ɔmo yɛ under investigation from home office but ɔmo yɛ under investigation by both the police because of modern slavery. Now, then modern slavery. Modern slavery ye bi a enso ani a obi afa nipa titiru so nya adwuma ma no. Na adwuma na a ɔyɛ no nhyehyɛ da ho no ida sɛ wondi so ana nhyehyɛ no ɛmfa ya kwan mu animra so. Ebi ti sɛ pay na ɔde ma no pay ni so a ebi ti sɛ ɔma ne yɛ ebi anka ɔsɛ ɔyɛ 30 hours a ɔma ne yɛ bɛyɛ 60 hours na ɔma ne 30 hours pay deɛ mete kora deɛ so obi tumi yɛ adwuma na busumi ne nyinaa yɛma ne 300 pounds ɛna nansa abayewa bi ɔbaa me hɔ no adwuma bi ɔyɛ no adwuma ne nyinaa na wayɛ busumi no ɔmoma ne 300 pounds because ɔsɛ care ni no sɛ ɔtetetete nneɛma bi well the first part a mepɛ sɛ yɛhwɛ no ɛne ada a yɛnhwɛ first of all document yi a yɛde hwɛ yi yɛnkɔ beginning of that ansa na yɛabasi wɔ anadae ɛnti wohwɛ document yi a document yi din a yɛato no no ɛni ɛyɛ home office workers and temporary workers guidance for sponsors the version way ɛyɛ 22nd of August 2022 but ɛyɛ still valid yenko C1.3 so yeko C1.3 a sponsor na yen yaboa no ma waje license a wenye tumi ana lawyer foforo bi aboa na waje license a wenye tumi a ode nkrofo ba ha ana se ofa nkrofo wa ha oje asetena ma no aban wo nhye bi a ode ama no nhye na ode ama no ene na mede ato ye screen so no so ohwe nhye na ode ama no na nhye no ye wo principle bi wo saa nhye no so nhye ne se beginning no ose wo no tumi a yede ama wo se jinkrofo tenam no enye tumi a eye wo tumi a se be yabo ama wo eye privilege bibi eye privilege bia ehye ho privilege bia eba with duties enti wo hwe se o ma twero se eye privilege a which means sa privilege no e wo se wo hwe so yie so we 1.4 asem o maka wo ho na almost say sa wo a wo ye license sponsor yi e wo se tumi a de ama wo no nhihye a ye de aka ho no wo diso eye se wo diso yanko 3 sa tumi ebini say omo pese omo prevent bibia your friend abuse of immigration rules ebia omo pese omo kire say wo tumi ade ama wo no wo monitor na emom wo mfa nkrofo ma hakwa wo be ya sure say bibia wo ye bia no entia omen emra ada yenko na utumi no a started time I had the license na ma wo tumi no wo ho akopem say 1 wo be ka say dwuma no wo nya biom na wo de o license be ma wo 2 either so mbeje wo license na free nsem 3 ana say wo license no be ba wiye ko license no yede ma adwumafo na I valid for 4 years before end of 4 years no mutimi renew no so you would be a udi huni a udi adwuma no so a wo be kuta license no afebo ada yenko 3 C3 enti C3 enti say C3 na enti say ya C1 yenko C3 C3 no nso e wo ade a kire ma yen enti say wo C3 na bibi te say insolvency procedures sa we obi a sabe wo wage license na mo musika se mu ntwa yetime jo license ni from sem yenko C7 so we C7 a adwuma ya e wo se wo yi ebiomo wo ho enti C7 no ade a ekene o se tumi na yede ama wo no se francophone bra hwomo paper create system ye HR system timrana se yakase ye pe English B1 speaking listening writing and reading na onkofa O level GCSE yakase ye pe B1 English speaking listening writing and listening onkofa obi a the student visa abaha university na ya na interview emfa visa no mano yakase adwuma no aye genuinely available na ye genuinely available biom monhwe se obi a yama na license bia ye will be a friend of compliance checks no e 7.1 na o say sa privilege na ye de ama wona obetimi de nkrofo abaha obeje o atena obeba o mo asetena no because sponsors no ojewo no ama wasetena sponsor no ma wasetena because they are not back na home office this first na your home office na omo ye bibia nti obi person de obi ba first or home office and person dey ni pay ba no mama say okay fanabra no answer na apply for visa se see ade wo na wo gi nipa no na wo ma ne tumi na ode kwaje ne visa na ode ba wo di tumi no ma na 99.99% o me ma no visa no ode aba omo say dodo na ye de sa ade ama omo we 7.2 na omo di omo huni omo ye no crefo omo adi omo huni omo wo sebi se omo ebe dimra no so dodo na nso ɛyɛ nkrofo a sɛbe niema a ɔmaka kyerɛ home office ɔmbɛyɛ no ɔmoyɛ then na woka kyerɛ home office woka kyerɛ home office sɛ nipa yi a mede ama ne mɛma no adwuma every week biara mɛma no 30 hours 38 hours anaa 40 hours wodi so nipa yi a wode no abɛyi wode no baa sɛ wo minimum income no emiti saa skilled migrant threshold for care which is about £10.20 ampa utua no £10.20 wosi nipa mema no holiday nipa yi ɔkɔ holiday a metua ne ka nipa yi ɔyare a metua ne ka ɛyɛ ɛhyɛ a yɛde ama wo na mmom sɛ nipa yi amma adwuma continuously for 10 days a mɛbɔ mamaneɛ sɛ BBC na me a mesesa me din a mɛbɔ mamaneɛ sɛ mekɔ commit criminal offense a mɛbɔ mamaneɛ bibi a meyɛ biara no mewɔ ho record sɛ mekɔfa adwoa mensa a ɔba hɔ a okuta card koraa mɛkyɛke employer checking service anaa sɛ share code na mede akyɛke mɛbɔ mamaneɛ wei nyinaa wayɛ wabɔ no tɔfa wowɔ computer egu so wowɔ cabinet egum nipa ɔfa ne biara wɔfa contract a wɔwɔ no almost omu hia nkrofo 50 a nkɔfa nkrofo 100 emma ama 50 no instead of 38 hours no wakɔyɛ obi 20 hours 20 hours sɛ wohwɛ mu a compliance checks no ebi ni sɛ almost sɛ 7.3 ɔmbɛkɔ so ahwɛ obia one sɛ woyɛ obi a wo pose threat to immigration control a ɔmbɛyi wama woyɛ obi a wo breach wo sponsorship duties ne na maka no ɔmbɛyi wama woyɛ obi a ya convicted of criminal offense a ɔmbɛyi wama woyɛ obi a wa engage in behavior na action a ɛnyɛ conducive to public good a ɔmbɛyi wama ɔsɛ compliance check no ɔmbɛtumi ayɛ no anytime so ɔmo wɔ reasonable suspicion sɛ wo adwuma no a yɛde ama wo sɛ fa nkrɔfoɔ bra anaa gye nkrɔfoɔ bra no woyɛ ne yie ama wodi so sɛ ɔmo nya suspicion pɛ ɔmbɛtumi ayɛ na mmom ɔsɛ ɔmo wɔ range of power anaa measures a sɛ saa de no wondi so a ɔmbɛtumi ayɛ biribi atia wo ebi ni sɛn ɔmo sɛ wo certificate no yɛbɛte so yɛbɛ downgrade yɛbɛ suspend no anaa yɛbɛ revoke no whilst a investigation ɛrekɔ so no yɛma wo mfa wo biara yɛma wo issue news certificate ada yɛnkɔ C10 na yɛhwɛ C10 na adeɛ a titiriw ɛde problems ɛba no ɛyɛ yɛnkɔ aseɛ ɛyɛ nneɛma a yɛrekɛn C10.4 ɔsɛ dɛn ɛna ɛbɛma yɛtwa wo license no munim sɛ license no mutumi yɛ mmiɛnsa ɔmutumi suspend no ɔmutumi downgrade no ana ɔmutumi revoke no yɛ downgrade from A to B a wotumi mfa obi abiom ɔmo sɛ deɛ ɛbɛma ɔmo revoke license no bi ɔsɛ documents a wode yɛ wɔ application no saa mandatory grounds no ebi a wuni ɛkɔ C10 a ɔsɛ saa documents yi nso ebi koraa wo nneɛma a woyɛ wɔ application wokaa sɛ wowɔ checking system wowɔ manual wowɔ templates a wouse wowɔ HR system wowɔ computer network wowɔ saa nneɛma wei nyinaa but ɔmo baa no ɔmo hu saa nneɛma wei nyinaa ada yɛnkɔ sɛ wohwɛ page 46 a wobɛhu sɛ ɛhɔ no nso no ɔmo akyerɛ next page ɔsɛ how revocation affects your sponsorship workers ɔsɛ sɛ ɔmo revoke wo sponsorship na ɔsɛ if we revoke your license we will cancel or shorten the permission of any workers you are currently sponsoring on the worker and temporary worker route Minu aba me abe ma me no kasa. We an a creative problem no. Wafa nkrofo 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. What do you maba? Oma kra wo fi ode ne yere ne marker ho. Wama mo 3 years and 5 years. Onim say after 5 years no benya indefinite. Onim say wo a wode ne ba no be di huni, wo be sure say dwuma a wo ye nyina no. Bibia eye fine. Ama eni no oye na dwuma. Obetia say oma ba ho. Police and immigration because oma te say staff no ebi kra wonti omo ka yie. Ebi kra hours aka so de be ma mo no. Mfa ma wo. Ana say wo kra won keep records yie. Woni system bia wo issue certificate ne keke. Won hu nipa no wo interview no. Niama a wo ye wo application ka say wo ye nyina wo nye. Wo ma mo job description nipa na waba na no an say wabo ne din na wo di gubukum. Woni system bia nipa na ma adwuma ebo kokko. Wonye obi a sabio wo ye organize into niama na wo di gu fa nim what's the papers keke na agum. Wonye wadwuma ne yie. Mesrem samo hwe de aban kasa to no bo ase de agu paper so 66 pages ana ye kan. Yen ko the next page adai. So wo hwe we nyina problem etene say ye betimi age wo license. Ye mpese sa abeba. De ye pese ye nyina ye hunu say dan ni ye betimi aye na ye de avoid this other way. The first thing we can take it off. Me pese obi a owo care license ni bia ehye no nso no say one se wo ye obi a wo pese wo license no koso to aso a emra na wo de ye adwuma no mesrew tia mra na se wo wontimi ntia se a because mo are very busy minim se mo nyina mo are very busy and as I say be wontia se ndu ne ma bi so mesrew fa lawyer no mwa your Ghana for lawyers be brave promo. You will people be bia minim UK be bia your Ghana ni lawyer. For lawyer, first thing I was all you say. What systems now over in place comply with the mandatory requirement What computer, what email are secured. What HR system. Nipa na wa employer mo why twere gu book mu na hye wo moto am ana ida briefcase am ana say gu computer so a omo ba betimi a check wo manual also wo manual either employment manual ye wo employers responsibility duties and responsibilities contract of employment holiday requirements sa manual no manual wo ho ana wo de wa no ka de kan What's the answer now? Be employee no. We employer checking service, and now we share code. You perceive who am for the last 1 year, and now 6 months, and now 2 years, and now 3 years. Each individual employer checking service are we here, and our share code are we here. You perceive who. True. Miss Ramopa, Mama, careful. I was sad way. Obi an shadi ya mebeka inso. Obia or apply for care, health care, sponsorship, and our sponsor license be ye bisao payroll number and our PAYE number. Wouldn't be I am for license number. Obia will be. So we call system no so now we issue certificate of sponsorship and our defined certificate of sponsorship. A bisao payroll number. I say bisa NI number for nipa na we amano. Omo figure na eba pe ano NI number. Na omo no ye ma omo card na ye the NI number no share card na chi. Enti obi a wa employ no bia no wo payroll number na omo NI number no home office nim. Enti sa monitoring na omo tro wo sa be pa ni omo monitor no. Say no omo ye no. Bia na wusu care agency. Afraid HM revenue. Hello, HM revenue. Nana Usika agency. Ni payroll number. And ni PAYE. NA 12345. Mr. Mon check sa NI number in my PW 123456. Mr. For the last 3 months, no pay a hini etiano. One say, oh yes, about office, and so nim de wo ye nyina. Enti say wafa obi afri Ghana ba. Wabedu ha 3 months ni. Bo ma na adwuma baako. Bo ntua na ka home office ebehu. Ahɔ ne yɛbɛgye wo license na afiri nsɛm. Now, when see a hwem na obi a, but caution because meaning say it's going on. Caution businesses no. Because my cousin and my no. In fact, me and son omo wa ha. Baako a waba no. Wabedu. Waye ni bibia, waye ni training. Training no waye na be 3 months. Ada no ye training 3 months. Ye man adwuma baako. I was so pebe bida. It was so didi. Obeda no didi. Me wa woden oba no. Wo ka send the contract na started date say e hye wo COS no so ana DCOS no so. Ada na 3 months ni din appear wo HM revenue. So utia naka. Because untimi nka say end of the year na me file. Ko ye employers no, ye file ye PAYE every single month. Ye free be real time filing. To me accountant odigu so. Oh yeah, we issue pay slips na tax for him. Say we see tia insurance and a tax. Who the nipa na about 3 months o man adwuma. Who the nipa na about 3 months no, one man every week be a man 10 hours per. Also ka so be man 38 hours and now 40. A ho and the problems na ba no. The other part no ye omo nkrofo ye adwuma 40 hours no mo tua half of the pay no. UK government every be modern day slavery. Say esia sa document ya ye kan ye omaka say verify wa police and other home office organs investigating modern day slavery. You convicted for modern day slavery. Mr. Pa uko prison. Mr. Mo dientia masha da to me bo ase a chirechire mu no aye because say ye nim say ebi si ye mpese ebekoso. Ebi anipa no businesses na nya aware say home office nim de ekoso. Omu pa because omu with the HM revenue omu records ni nyina. Ebia obi feel say okay, well nipa na me de na ba no ontimi nkasa. Yes, e true say bia ontimi nkasa. But it's also true say home office ebia no obi foforo akokasa. Ade e wo e good ma ye nuanom omoba. Oma betimi abetena ade omabusuafo aba. We a business now say obey bia, you say a privilege. Yes we duty. We need duty now, for lawyer no chiro duty. We need any issue COS now, for lawyer no issue ma. Men confess metua lawyer kentimia me be bu madwema ye bibi keke. Misraw time no so say ye GF nsem and I suspended na. Anya wo pen I affect you. Nkrofo be 50 na wakoform aba no. I affect omo nyina. Say ye wonko ade a ke ni problem. But nkrofo 50 na wo de aba no. Affect your money. Timome very careful. Na yendi adwuma na de ama yendi so. Oba ye ho a ye be chirechire omu. Na mo ukoto problem na oba e bi ye ho a na ye too late. Mostly no ye betimi twitwa agyo. But wo did ye kan yi so a cause a problem ni. Esra pa hweso na di so because obi a was our license ni bia no. The American winim dada. Because we fill all forms at the akwaje license no. When I walk at you, say me. I don't know when yet. Timanye, I no pay way and I'm a deva.
Uncle Ben Yadasi. We probably say Masiafim because in summer wa bro so ewadimo ya te papa says sana koso na itiefo na hwefo megidi say senior Uncle Ben achechi mu se wate say ya see ya GOB license and ya revoke ni license and na say ya suspend and na say ya downgrade na wo nyoma ene Uncle Ben dia betu dwa ne ntira ena omoye nti no ohwe Uncle Ben emfa ho mpo se obi na wafa phone say ofre efikasie mu ana ofre HMR4 say na ne employer no eye no omo ankasa omutumi eye sa checks no ema omo ho apart from mpo say omenya suspension no ebi kra wo ho a omo randomly because I know say ye dwuma mu ho saa na omo ye omo ma ye asote omo ye random check na yaka say early morning briefing omo ye no na ya take companies mbia be 20 say this week saa companies 20 ye come so akọ check enye say mbia omo ati bibi mpo but it's just a random check so omo behwe say mo de mo mra ne so a enti anka me ye da sene saa nimde a ne wode ama ye megidi se dodo na etie ye no ombeto anamo aka kire omo employers anase omo ye employer mpo a na wote saa nsem we no obeto anamo ye da se anka ben na yenhwe bibi yenhwe few questions bi a wo kano na pop what na obi say what answer all the 7 questions but then we'll just go back a bit by bit. First of all, anka ben information na wo de bedu to dwa no se obi pese onya saa information na he na obenya no information na wa be cheche mu nyina ewo we ne so na he mfa na obenya no se afa
Well,
na ne ya
yeah, our home office website so enti ada ifa to so biom. Enti home office website na ɛwɔ no. Say you come beginning of where obehu document ni din.
sa
Enti document no your friend no go to the beginning. Okay. Enti your friend workers and temporary workers guidance for sponsors. Specifically for sponsors. Version 0822. Enti wohwɛ so a into key in Google now we are now workers and temporary workers guidance for sponsors. Google be yama ubenya ne PDF na wa download na unimo bi a opese o read ya famano but 66 pages and you be no betimi akan obi okro kan a onti ase and America no
and
the duty a yama ono so heavy sir ubehia legal advice me
exactly
who obi a why successfully we're keeping a
so
license for so long only lawyer all the big businesses especially mo cleaning na niyama mo behu so mo adwumam efrem ka kire mo se omo hia share code ana say what time e ha no time no ya aso ntifa bibi bra omo refer to HR first
that's
because
it
nipa na oye day to day o supervisor na o manager oni HR say ye bemu omo amoye adwuma no so omo ka se mo nkotena fe ni ye bemu a ubehu say apa HR ho na ekọ omo lawyers ho
sa
big businesses no say big business no cry or big business or what resources are why employ very qualified people or use lawyer
yes
other na wo sabio ebia uni dia say
yeah
why employ for wo contract na why care bi other na wo ma lawyer mbo
wow
for me
and
you know me obi a ɔno nko ara and I know people ɔmo nko ɔmo yɛ ɔka ɔsɛ me wɔ obi in house now me hwɛ ɔmo nneɛma ɔmo ayɛ ama nkorɔfoɔ a most of it yɛ wrong ɔmo nti
sa
English requirement ase ɔmo nti ase because ɔmo confuse skilled migrant requirement English you know with the general English requirement and the same that ɛyɛ specific care deɛ ɛyɛ specific nursing ɛyɛ specific
sure
doctors ɛyɛ specific students ɛyɛ specific family ɛyɛ specific
yeah
wontumi compare two no absolutely not the other part no ɛyɛ very nuanced requirement for example wonim sɛ wontumi employ wo nua ɛwɔ so
sa
a list no also
oh
no wontumi issue license ma wo nua is that Oman list your man won't be issue license. You don't know. Because what ye and yanka woman chill. When ya want to say HN revenue every day be or follow returns be when him say home office so check. You don't how are you gonna know? Because someone can't chill. But at least say we will be or what lawyer or advisor regularly. What it does and I say it saves you the trouble. So we'll be losing for 50. Will be able to lose in the Juma. Maybe also come back to Ghana and I'm illegal. For us, here, so we continue business continuity plans. Now, this is part of it
Yes.
because every business beyond or a share say what business continuity covered by almost how many business continuity plans. Bebre fairly,
Sir.
bebre fold up, and this is one contingency. I was a winner within what requirement. So when you be or you're knowledgeable in this particular area, a new area, by a very, very extensive one. So, in here, say, ubia, ebeye, including the businesses, so be a lawyer or be advice you. For us, I say to people, there are so many lawyers around. You don't have to come to us. You can go to any other person. But you sure say, Nipana or advice you, they all cannot hear say.
Uncle Bemida say, when you said lawyers asem no, yemi one say, one company so I mean beginning na sa opportunity by I approach them na me omo can say ni ye trainee client for employees no on the English aspect any care work no to get the certificate and so and say or you're interested na you bet to me I take that aspect no e de aboa nea ɔkaa ne sɛ daabi ɔwɔ lawyer a ɛyɛ biribiara ma no. Just about 2 weeks ago no mate sɛ yɛarevoke ne license enti na ɛyɛ me ya na mebisa ɛnɛ na wakyerɛkyerɛ mu nti woka sɛ they should employ lawyer according to what she said sɛ ɔwɔ lawyer ɔyɛ. Does that mean sɛ all this guardians knows na ɛwɔ adeɛ so a wode akyerɛ yɛn ne no ne lawyer no ɛna wantumi interpret amma ne yie anaasɛ maybe sir, what could have gone wrong? Because say lawyer said they were far lawyer, na lawyer said yes so church more. Na maybe some say maybe BWF Solicitors with your Juma Moye intimate. Say definitely whoever you are supporting with their SMS, no, matumoboasi at church sa articles na was saying line by line, nina much church mo at more clients na more dealer more so of course they will know what to do. But say Kobani say obisi or lawyer na still want to me anti adeyase na ya revoke the license. Could it be something different? And as a lawyer ni to me ancheche anymore ye amananti as anyone comply with whatever it is there now.
Okay. So because our lawyer, stage ben our lawyer. Maybe our lawyer say lawyer no where issue certificate of sponsorship no lawyer no your application.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Adwuma no nye ho. Ehon no nye adwuma. Eno de say, wo ehon no ye nipa na oya na application. Ehon no problem ko ba wa nya wo problem. Wo sponsor no application no nya wo problem.
Okay.
But obi o ha be ama.
All right.
Problem no ewo say first of all what you would duty na say.
Good.
With duties no what you say saying. I duty ketwa o. No. I am very, very significant and very complex. Because, first of all, who co-issue course, then a will issue course. And I'm happy to give this for free. So this is what we do.
Okay.
Your businesses are sure also. They don't have a problem. This is what we do. And to the first stage, in say, obi a person obey where you may be an face-to-face interview and remotely. So we're Ghana. We are the interviewer. What selecting? What selecting? One man job description. So what find employment now? Before we find employment, you sure say we meet our skills. You can't care no. We have particular skill be. Okay. Why is that in a year? What in the passport? So we chromo and then the biometric card. Because be all chromo be a biometric card. What the brain? You be assessing English, The measure so meet the current, and yet prior.
Yes.
Because almost the same English, and even within the last few months, I mean, we discussed that, I think, beginning of the year.
Yes.
Current English, you be assess it. If we are, share code, you be call online, IBBR check it. Near the report, now you from home office, near the account. Now, your amount of points, you were 20, 20, 20, 10.
70 points.
That's correct. Each area be you share requirements. You share or non so interview now we near the match Say omitia. Ya hwe offer a wode ama no income no emiti the minimum requirement. Eba be kosoro na nsen a. Enti e kosoro a ma mwate.
Okay.
Emitia ya ma no points. Ya hwe English. Ya hwe. Wa wie no wa mu na wo ho no. Niema ya de ama we no. Mesra wo mema ne nda wo email ni. Yeah,
Print.
insist so we create folder. And it's
That.
so beautiful the way you do it. So you might be crying or have you almost say file management.
Yes.
Manage file no, very carefully. And
Okay.
you know, but one particular business, I don't want to mention names, so excellent. So excellent. Or will it be and you know what? Was employ administrator both
That's.
here and in Ghana. Back also minimum why employ administrator India and in Pakistan. And almost the folder no bar because him ade a open bibi aye pe. To we your assessment no report now. One eboa no because in future no omo ba obetimi de akere omo.
That's it.
Ya yes assessment na wie no. Ni ama advice obetimi ako issue certificate of sponsorship no.
Okay.
Which means that we were meeting with responsibility. Eho no say omo person omo de ba na application ma omo. Most of them come back for us to do. Yeah. Person de ko ba bi obetimi de akọ. My case to protect your business. My nyama because what happens is obi why am no now or they call ye be and you know we try and protect our clients' businesses no. So fall within a trap no.
Sir.
We no. Yeah, keep your records. Also keep your records. Or access to your records no. Need access to records no.
Okay.
Most communication I hear cry by secured mail.
That's it.
BI is secure. And Home Office Compliance Officer I walk in. The first thing now Obeka say, what application now we hear no. Who can wait for some documents bra, including a bank statement.
Yeah.
Or show bank statements and so on. When you might or payments are why
To the
microphone. While requested sample pay slip over a period, maybe our fan for 10. For we pay slip between June and July, and January to April. For we pay slip September to for we pay slip within in our. Yeah, who said pay we November and December when Tianaska adentia. And those are what we guide against. Now, training Emma sponsors and so over Zoom. You train you to guide again. And some of the sponsors are very proactive, almost reactive. Because last week, back frame, I was going to go Matisse, Madam for be revoking a license. I go back then we went through into say contingency plan because our business is no be brave. The BMO Ama will use so different strategies. Now he's guiding against Obenya Sapro. This is somebody who's thinking about his style. It's not only about him. Because they're revoker. And we're talking about hundreds of people who work for him and his wife. Sponsorships. But more sponsorships. Lose Ama I was almost back. He's guiding against that. And because of our lawyer, stage ban or lawyer. Stage ban. And for us, it's important say who stage our responsibility now on our follow. Again, then a lawyer no or requirements and I say.
Yes.
I can kind. Well, why manual amount? Because we do manual for people. Yeah, manual. Yeah, we do. We prepare them. I have very comprehensive work. It's for us, it takes our time all the time. All the time. Fitinra say business be a very much so mama. Fitinra no pa or start to send information. And I'm sorry, 6 o'clock. At 2 a.m. now I was sending information.
Wow.
I send information for the last 12 hours consistently. So maybe why is sporadic. Honestly, what we've identified is organized. It's the man I organize eventually because the man by organizing the man as a folder. Through that, she learns how to organize her files.
As if man it's like you've answered almost every part of the question and person can maybe bring in. But why are there? And you mentioned out I tell for natural for Edumadi and I guso if you just join us now. About why are some health and care sponsor licenses being revoked by the Home Office? And no Uncle Ben actually more up to a brave and strong 7 points you this one. Emma saa asɛm wei ɛnto yɛ nti sɛ ɛmbi afei na wohwɛ me a waka about are you following the duties sɛ woyɛ w'asɛdeɛ ɛwɔ saa adeɛ no ho a afei nso wasa aka wo employer no wohyɛ aseɛ kɔgye license na wɔ pay as you earn roll number no wɔ hɔ code no wode so atua wo workers na wa form no wotua ɔmo pɛpɛɛpɛ anaa afei nso wasa aka sɛ who report to omu duties and ben third one reporting duties no or homing bisa asem kakra ansa na matoa so reporting duties who can reporting duties a year sponsor na wenya ne license na ono employee bi no ono na or report to the activities of nipako a wa employ no into the home office and now say nipako na wa employ no ye adwuma ama no so ono di ni duties so emma employer no na all put all things together but also difference bi wo say na maybe sa no na na.
Okay, into reporting duty na me kan no for sponsor no.
Okay.
And I wish there were sponsors randomly. Maybe so be a question say how many days now for say was our report? Say nipa no ameduma. Most of them will not know because they are the adwuma every day. They really don't care, But Home Office so encourage employees to report you, and yet no na America. In case employee being called report to be, that's not what we're talking about. The air can say, what employer no, what would duty be? What's our report to? What's a sounding? We are bankrupt, we are criminal conviction, who move address, nina or reporting duty. You say addresses necessary. Or reporting duty, no, we are on the SMS, yeah, sponsorship management system. As soon as sponsors be also. And it's important, sir. I know where some people have issues.
Yes.
Mostly is kasem, but this is what I say. You want to be a friend of cost, and you want to be a friend of value. Nina a sound similar, and they connote similar ideas, but they're different. The cost may be to you, is paying a lawyer. Let's say for argument, let's say £1,000, right? But what is the value to you? The value is that 1, you get information. 2, you have your peace of mind. 3, you retain your sponsorship license permanently. That is a value to you. And as human beings, we are fond of looking at, this is what I am paying, or this is what I'm losing. But whatever you're paying or losing, what is it bringing you? And that is why we talk about need, input, output, outcome. Need, input, output, outcome. Who need? Who needs a lawyer no bekasa? The need is there. So that's a need.
Input.
So the lawyer will then input the knowledge and the support to you. Or yes, Anna, there has to be an outcome. But the outcome, you have to measure the outcome to see, say, outcome, then at the breb.
Okay.
What you say?
That
is the effect of the outcome. And those are necessary requirements for every business.
Yes.
For me, so why you see a business that the free be SWOT.
Yes.
I know you know SWOT. Your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats.
Great.
So
Yes.
first SWOT no, your strength no, very likely say experience I want the business.
That's
Opportunities no, say license wo ho, obetimi de nkrofo aba, ama wo business na you better. Because then you have
that's
staff in permanently for at least 3 or 5 years, and you'll be
yeah.
all back.
Mm,
And then opportunity, nti SWOT, weakness ne there. Weakness ne say materials ne legal.
yes.
That's your weakness.
Mm,
And what is the threat? The threat is that you lose your license. And that's not the only threat. There are other threats is that people are going to be unhappy with you. Sorry, ne yere ne ku aba, ene ne mma. Sisi I see nku fie. How is he going to manage that? And those are the things that we always want to guide against. And for us as community lawyers, we want to say this now. Instead, say kind of next year, Abra,
yeah.
you see, will be losing the line. We want
Yeah.
to stop what is going on. Manafo bi can be bitter. Now you're manager in the care industry. And some as I care about. I say, Uncle Ben, you watch all the people who lose their such an alliances in I say all the people who lose their care alliances.
That's not.
They are all Africans. You check. But there's a reason for it.
And no credit.
Yeah, and my accountant can reason it. I don't want to repeat it. But for
Yes.
us, what we always want to do, is to provide information to the community. We don't say come to us. If you want to come to us, absolutely, we will look at your work and help you. We believe that we've got all the support, and we've got the means, and then we've got the knowledge, the skills, and the experience. But above all, I just want you to be knowledgeable.
Yeah.
So if it means so crowd nice and one kind 66, no, you know, sir. Bear in mind, sir, anyway, once the actual August 2022, it changes all the time. How are you going to keep up your knowledge? How we keep up our knowledge is that every morning we get an email from our libraries about all the trends, the changes of the law. Ne nyinaa wɔ hɔ. Nti, we're spending significant money on the because we
And
also pay for things. And I don't think so, it's out of order.
yes.
Timanyati, I'm sir,
Thank
Obi will
you.
question, I will take it from there.
Yakasa akyɛ na nkɔmmɔ no ɛyɛ da na saa na ɛba no ɛtiefo mebie telephone lines no ɛde atom na memfa nkyia kɛseɛ ma dodoɔ no a aba platform no so membɔ kakra bi na afei yɛnkɔ yɛnim yɛnnua aba gift yɛkya ntim ɔse good morning everyone yɛagye wo so Wumpuni Adams good morning Abdul Bals Yaya good morning madam please I overstayed my okay maybe send a question in a minute na yewo nana jima see share Dorcas Sandra Fraser thank you see good morning fellow viewers Monshe appreciate your support please share nana jima bo wabaso yenkoso na Juliet is it Abadiku I say good morning, Manye. Juliet Mejo. So Bianca Brown. Bianca, hey, what's a media? Oh, evidence or home. Mean to menko. Anita Japoma Japan see Charlie let us and some yaki canona or canita Japoma jump on 6 months minim ninti awoka 6 months no we are our own enemies greed yo and in the doors but I think so what they messed up or now maybe a telephone lines now I've got a couple of questions and so I have now our journey we are still on these legal issues concerning say why are some people revoking why are some health and care worker sponsor license being revoked by the home office some of the problems that you may encounter bema you be revoke your license nyoma wonye nti a you are likely say be revoke your license and I say be downgrade you and now say be suspend you na afi they've gone into investigating you and stuff like that eni nyina nka be abecheche mu nyina nti se wa journey am misel bo modi ana share na tie waso na yeguso a ye ka ho asem anka be me a few questions bi or maybe a telephone lines are obetumi afre pu be say concerning this it could also be another thing immigration some family law litigations and even Ghana in chromo law no so so you can ask any question in these areas now Ben is willing to give you your right response into 0208-123-1016 and 073-9920 8468 to me afre na to me so your voice note na ya bo Edi ama Uncle Ben na ono nso yebeti uja voice note amesro call WhatsApp on 075 966 2015 no so call WhatsApp ne jani TTT am not more than 2 minutes na jawo honom yebeti na yama wo emoaye. Uncle Ben, my first questions as license ya say me na enkrofo dia be jame yenhwe some of them. Ebi say otu kwenya sponsor ma yɛayɛ no yɛayɛ no visa no de ama no na ɔbɛtu kwan just in about 15 days time watwa ne ticket but ohun sɛ ne wei na yɛde maa no no wei na ɔyɛɛ yɛka ne sɛn TB test na ɔkɔyɛɛ no ɛbɛyɛ spy because ɔyɛɛyɛ no process ne take long ansa na onya sponsor no nti na ɛbɛyɛ spy in just about 5 days ɔsi ɛwɔ sɛ ɔnkɔ renew ansa na wetu kwan na anaasɛ wenya ayɛ na ɔde ayɛ ne visa na ewie no ehu hia sɛ ɔsɛ ɔkɔ renew Uncle Ben.
Okay. Well, first of all, no, sir, visa application, we TB, valid for 6 months.
Yes.
So, I think, sir, once I wear clear, no, that should be fine. Once all my issue, not just someone who said, we because we do have be anywhere or share. However, we figure about sometimes, you know, almost check yellow fever, almost check tuberculosis. Kotoka International Airport. And to say, old one or I can't say we need TB, ubeti the account. I will took now the actual.
Yo, Uncle Ben, mema aswate. Yeah, that's it. Many other men, so I may refer many other because when they call me and they are telling me their stories, na some problems, na ja, my form when we are no na matomo for kakra, no. Pacho me come in your my name how I papa. Yo, I say his visa no ebe spy me or your student, na the visa ne be spy me. Na ne woman say all school no. One training ho oko school no all right or ya ni work ni bi onye bi enti no otro ni exams ewie pepepe ama we wie school no sisi a oye say opese or apply for graduate route bi ansa na say na ni course work no when wie ni nyina anti school ni say letter bi wo ho anka o so mo de ma no omonya mfa ma no na school na atro ni say omonfa onye coursework ne nyinaa en submit emfa nko which awaye see this week nre ya wa submit coursework no yenya mark ye na ade ni so bewu me nti obisa se kwan ben de na oso ye because onim say oso renew ni we no 28 days ansa na I spy school no so entro emma ne letter na obe yusu e dia aye no in this case no de na onye na obisa advice.
I have very dicey. First of all, no, so all 12 school no so I was a school no mal cast. Na with me at the college visa now the twaso. So we need it may be obey apply for FLRO normal mal extension. I think you course no. The other problem is when you switch call FLRO, switching back into either student visa and also even skilled migrant, and it becomes a problem because our person we a graduate route. I was our last visa, no, I had that of a tier 4 student. Now we free tier 4 called FLRO. What about general visa? It's almost like a visitor's visa, and to switch no might be a problem. Or he needs to think critically.
Yeah.
Free school no the into man cast no at least cast man cast now. Then he knows. For some people they may go out and come in. For others they might have to do other things. But the bottom line is any say otna nana setna ewu. It affects so many things.
Okay. What coursework ne de code but omo mark ye into name the outcome. Into who na obo
Extension. I mean you have to call April and it may be some mark year before end of April. But I think, sir, he needs to pin them down. Now, on timeline, say, okay, senior bear, senior bear. You feel, sir, officer, no, you mark we are over graduate. Now, officer, no, so now valid. I think, sir, he needs to really speak to them to ensure, sir, when breaching immigration rules.
Uncle Ben, that's yet Regina so up to almost so for students. It's a way to meet here 22,000 of school fees, sir. And then I'll bet now when you school coursework. I mean, yeah, and because I mean, me feel so boy. What to meet your school fees, ne track 12 years, nina. Oba grad, was in my name coursework. Now, dear, feel no tea anything. Yes, yo, telephone lines I did dwuma no 0208 1231016 and 07399208468. Ubetumi ja voice note and so na ya answer so obi ja message wa ha me hwehwe na me embo na answer na me de beba no so no me one question wa ha elodu inti me one question so bi wa ha maybe sir when so say answer no nso ye student sa na answer na okay allow dey remember no answer pacho
Your line so.
oh okay
Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
But your friend saying I know can say free. I my friend saying I can say free.
Ama
To say
because I free landing. Pacho me hoye.
okay.
Pacho sesi na me tie mu na me se me tie mu asia. Na o ka say home office beti me revoke employee licenses, right?
Employer
so
no.
Tapping say home office employer licenses. Into omo revoke that means omo audio mobile anything and it's going to affecting them.
exactly
Sanity omo revoke so omo revoke omo audio mba nyina ayo omo 60 days omo nkope bibi foforo nye.
Okay. It's better to say you revoke your license. If the main applicant you know you affect you. Dependent no, are they going to be affected?
Obia owo sa COS no. Bear in mind say dependent no filling application form for visa na or the COS no reference number ehim. Te affect obia. Why?
I'll show you that's it.
Okay.
that's it say I'm but true ewa ha no and professor say fault ni free yan testing and system no mu wie nti na manti no yo adofo a mutie mu betumi asan ebisa membisa question ana ewo board ni so no Abdul Basit Yaya Yahaya Udin I say good morning madam, please I overstay my visa and I talked to a lady who came to UK with skilled worker visa. Please, is there any chance she can? Well, question. Do you want to marry her? Say when you're udofobina one was skilled migrant, once while overstay, my adofo, person worry no. Ebe ye na ya na mum question this my uncle maybe yes.
Well, sir, visa. So we need current visa. And I would application our home officer. Very unlikely so be to me switch it into skilled migrant route and I even into dependent skilled migrant route. There was a lawful residence. Lawful residence and it could be physically no visa and I said maybe a wire application our home office. Nina a chance no yeah.
Okay. Mate, Pacho, wa baso jina so kakrama me 1 minute meba. Anke be yinti.
Hello.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. Mpamcho nyame nhira mo wo mo cheche mu amode amaye ne pa. Pacho me de emfa ho sa na me ba Scotland 2019 September eba school. Ena me betena me sister na Mr. rent 2-bedroom flat na me betena ne nchen. They say me sister etu enya dan wato dan nti because na I wasn't qualified to get a tenancy on my own. No. Baby I yet no. They say me na me wo honom, but the tenancy no e woni din mu. Ena any bills biaka bia ne wo me din mu. Pacho say menya me ho ka for na me pese me kofa ne ba. Tinam pacho me pese me busa say my sister, does she need to send me ebia a written letter say be or no and I say we should draft some kind of sublet contract because me person me hear the right thing tina me pacho me bisa Uncle Ben. Nyame asumdie nka me da wase.
Okay.
Say,
Well,
what
first of all,
do you
obi a tenancy agreement be a subletting bad. Wouldn't mean subletting without the permission of the landlord. And it is a person subletting mawa. I was say wona odi mokoje permission or landlord no. Also no system move tenancy no mo na mo transfer mba odi. But in the interim no say well sister dima which means ono a recognized tenant lawfully. So what you will be ono na ma kwan setna ho. Ti ono betimi aye letter ideally mo betimi landlord akasa aye better no asesa tenancy na ma. But too late betimi aye letter with evidence ono na oye tenant no. No akasa what nkyɛn as a lodger na wukum ba nti wukum betimi aba betena ho. So I two documents tenancy no and a landlord permission tenancy and our letter account no enough so we accommodation requirement and for spouses no.
Okay, yo.
Yeah.
That's other for one, so Kafra, why? Mpacho, oh, free, my entonka.
Mpacho Manye see where they me voice note na yeah
Oh,
boy
okay.
and
Okay.
yeah Mpacho Uncle Ben we try say agent no say bianca transferable but omoka say because me no me nye ejuma and say Scotland now no tenancy no I say they need a minimum maximum annual be here. But me na me just part time and my sister na me na me kitwa into no na as on me like in terms of accommodation you know it's also nya dine now
Near Uncle Bear Church, Muse, oh, sister, no bet to me, atro. Na repeating Uncle Benny Kai, I won't say it's still doable. Why?
okay you mpachom dasi
Miss
nyame
me
hira mo
das, mammy. So I share program, media.
mpachom me share pa because I've followed Uncle Ben since from Italy.
Mate. Good, have
Nyame
a
hira
good
mo
day. Why?
okay bye.
Yo, other for one, my son, Pacho, Kafra. Your frozen and our casa frame.
Hello.
Hey, hello, good morning. Pacho, my entonka.
Me pacho osaya adwumayɛnie.
Oh,
Ne
hello.
yɛdi kan Nyankopɔn nhyira mo ne adwuma pa a mowɔbɔ. De
Amen.
aboa yɛn nuanom a yɛwɔ ha nyinaa. Na metoa so wɔ akɔmasɛm so. Meyɛ skilled worker. Me ne me yere na wɔ ha.
Okay.
Na abrabɔ mu kyinkyini ne nɔɔma baako mmienu nti. Me ne pre-settled EU ni baa a wɔno so wɔ ne kunu akɔnyam. Nti ɛyɛ saa nsusuasoɔ bɔne bi wɔ mu anaasɛ ɛho asɛm ɛyɛ a na ɛte sɛ
Hey, Judge, my. Once them men's row say, what's some near Messro. Okay, chin, abrabo, chin, and Nantina Messre. Uncle Ben, it was also Ben a woman, one in a year I had a dough, and so was Uncle Bob go. I'm a wash a ball. To no
Okay.
bisa.
And yep say on an area in termina or mid common league a show one is or work was so shannon. Na say the immigration soon or drain one and ya they be affected because of the ono na wakodi de wakoye na ono ne yere ane ne ba no maame ana ne ba no be ba no ne maame yo mo miensa asem.
Nti Uncle Ben, and no obisa na wa fall into such a thing. No, say maame na wa kwhye ne nyinsam foforo na wa wo akwala no. Akwala no betime agina ono papa ne so say ono wo 5 years still migrant route so na ono nso de nya bibia na.
Akola ne maame ye EU ni ose wo
EU
preset.
president ni
Oh yeah,
O ye
pre-settled.
EU den
Pre-settled.
o ye EU ni o presettled enti akola ne ye okay oni
Oh.
problem bia ko maame ne wasetena. Yeah.
Yeah, papa affect why?
mpakyɛ yo
Yeah,
mpakyɛ
that's
yo
it. So I share program ni there.
me de sha me hyɛ me na me de ayi tentententen na ɛyɛ ɛwɔ mu no
Oh, you Martin, Yamen Shroud.
okay
Yo,
that's it.
Yansha, is it Drillzy? Drizzy or Drizzy Page? I see a care company bought me to be Hey, but Mankasa brought, all right, sorry, brought me to the UK, but the company don't pay us on time. The company insists we work a certain amount of hours before they can pay us. Hey, as semni binyanka ben. So problem in more than 10 a day. They biana on my juma, especially mom ye domiciliary no. Hey, anke ben o sorry ahomrachi 4 o'clock, abefi 11. And so actual contract time no now is just about 7 hours pay. Eya na ha adwen kakra nka ben ti abrante question say yentua on time no dey no betumi aye.
Well, obia ofra me about BBC bia nema mienu na meka. Wo employment contract when wo employer no we raise grievance na because obia oye adwuma wo ka bia wo employment contract.
Sa.
Now, sir, wo koye 0 hours now we skilled migrant yeah my visa. I guaranteed hours, guaranteed. Some businesses no aye low na wontimi emfa nipa na. I know sir it brings all sorts of problems. And that's why I always tell people sir, so we are prepared so we didn't for body. I was so we are prepared so every morning I'll be sorry be more contracts. Now wait me the or staff no. Because unfortunately care industry no almost so much me lose contracts. Almost say be a hackney amount contract. Yes, call a 50 houses. Na omaje possible say bi obi akoye bibi wo ho o staff ni bi a complaints care adwuma na nya adwuma ketwa. I'll be frank with you omo ye owners of care way no yes omo remuneration very good but the stresses omo go through no and then the statutory requirements and legal requirement also within even the CQ care industry no requirements and a local authority requirements and the ketwa need to know be quiet no CRB checks almost checking the criminal record ni bibia care ni mouth training because case be a ba mani no na ma me ye adwuma e wo care or ye or care home sa abrewa no ne ba e de recorder abehye dem ho ti abrewa no or hama me na did no can racist comment onim se ma me be respond no aso tape no ti ono de kind de want you de obeti ne say care no a respond because so ne buafu and they are record and omo yinadi and om the police. Now these are things care adwuma na nya adwuma omo ye na respect them really well because ayo don kwa na de yes adwuma no uni odo ane atenka untimi nye enti obi wo ho na dwempa as a business na wagye nkrofo but no lose the contract enti wo so akope contract for nti ne nyina no etwase mo a mo ye adwuma no mo kwa mo nyima ne yi so wo ma obi APC a twro say na me akosua APC wo ma no code a twro udi mantelantum etwitwi obi kotodwe a twro say me de mantelantum etwitwi say wo take in temperature twro say even nipa no alafia betes kra na ya prescribe mana wo ma alafia betes a fill form no say na ya na alafia betes ana say sa edro no bi ne de ma no mesrew memma obu nipa ni didi watema wo de report ma wo manager or supervisor say na be ya enko create problems komo dwuma no mo amoye na wo se mo nyina mama award because aye dwuma bi a woni do ane nipa atenka buntimi anye.
Uncle Vedas, I think say employers so say a cost to for because workers see ba say omenya abotre ada we na 1 month and 1 week training near trauma in and out of the job. Uncle Ben report be a yetititin omonye eno aso ba 1 day or see 1 day induction and care work obi a onye bi da kra 1 day induction is not enough. Ye chere care ibi sa we so be experience nyoma ohwo standard 15 solid standards na ewo ho no o se wo manipa no e go through practical ni nyina obi wo ho be ka se wa ye theory no online we nya certificate but then if the person on to men call practical aspect na to me man no client say go na kwohwe nipa kwen. It shouldn't be. But ne nyina koye sika sem anke ben. Ne nyina opentam se koye adwuma no na onya ne sika na omfanye. E na afen so no employers ne bi nso. Se ne wa cheche mo so mo fa obi administrator. Sika na ombechia no. Aya na onti na ze ka de bia Africa yem some of them omo businesses na enche na egu because omo nya appropriate things na so omo ye na ema adwuma no enko so no. If you're afraid of losing money, you never get money. Into who employ people at this position, you know, no taking care of whatever is going. Be go wrong, you can blame them. No, someone said, this is what I'm doing now. I think Senka, nya problem be say, but akoye say obetia ni kenti no. Sa obinso osra humrachi 4 akofie enumere 11 na uhwemu a just 7 hours pay eya na no so bisa sa adenti na banisa so many complaints nti employers amuti we ye futo kitu e bi enye bufu enye say command but it's your duty say or so go through all these 7 things ya nke be abecheche mu ene no se na ebe ya adachi un lose license wa uhwe sika kakra wo betie nti na wo ye be revoke license na ere na wo pe dwene ho. You see value, cost and value, dwene ho. Uncle Ben, say mene ya ye bit na mema yenua ba Deborah Abemu just a minute, but maybe sa question quickly na feed me manembra. When so or say student na or running no or be running out of ni visa no or worry obi e wo krom ha eye yi uni a why settled. Na ye inviting no interview, invite you interview, but emo anche you need to kwan. Nti inviting interview no ono nkwa so obe ono nkwa bekọ no opesen ko ba ne ba no mo ko ba no so amba on time. Nti o ma nkọ. E na omotena ho ama ye refuse ni visa no. Now, wa apply for appeal. Appeal ne eba bekọ court ne akodi asem no. Nti obisa se all twen appeal no. Obetumi a divorce ne yire no anase obetumi not the divorce. Obetumi a switch it to skilled migrant route be so na because or say or to me still a download do share code no or to me go to the system any share code anytime for employment. Internet say when himself or you're still valid in the system, but can he still switch to migrant whilst the case is pending? Patron question. No?
Well, I mean, first of all, no, a question I was say beside say nipa no na na setena ye den ansa na oware union.
No, a student. I can't student visa. No,
Once I have a decision, we student visa na end.
Oh,
Absolutely. Okay. Once I have a decision, we student visa na end. We have application and na nko mo nye decision and I will COA. Although say biometric no student visa na wu but why application. Yeah, decision which me switch it. Yeah, switch a few people.
Okay.
But once all my decision no. To say ya the amount we need student be we EU national. Yeah, decision no say our application no under EUSS.
Right.
Won't me answer. Also switch application on reject and refuse so on reject as invalid application.
Okay. Wow. And in this case, follow-up question say Oko Ghana na Oko apply bar. Is it possible and I still stand?
Yes. So Oko Ghana or free her or me I skilled migrant route and all the above.
Okay. Into no sir near appeal na work court na affecting in any way.
So Oko Ghana, so I withdraw appeal no. We
Right.
appeal. In country appeal no free her. So I withdraw appeal no.
Oh, okay. Okay. You and you say you need to send my papi or the hami you and that's it now. Mema and lawyer Deborah Abimu no mema the English version. Lawyer Deborah, good morning, my dear.
Good morning, Manye, and good morning, viewers. So today the topic that we looked at was why are some health and care sponsor licenses being revoked by the Home Office? So as we know, care is one of the routes in which people can also come into the country and then eventually get settlement from that. And before they come, they'll need a sponsor or a sponsor who has the requisite license to allow them to come into the country. Now, sponsors are people that the Home Office have essentially put their trust into to ensure that they are adhering to the laws that they're supposed to be adhering to. So, because they put so much trust in them, they have some duties which they have to comply with. So something known as compliance checks. So this is where Home Office will make checks with the sponsor or the company to make sure that they're adhering to the laws and they're being honest. They're making they're paying their employees the amount that they have said that they're going to pay them, things like that, so that there's no kind of issues with the sponsorship. And if Home Office do make investigations and they find out that the sponsor isn't adhering to what they are supposed to be adhering to, they will take action against the sponsor, and then this can either be a suspension, a downgrade, or a revocation of the sponsor's license. And unfortunately, revocation of the license also affects those that have been asked to come and work for this sponsor. So their permission to stay will also be cut short. As Uncle Bernard said, they will have 60 days to find something else to do. So in a sense, how you can avoid your license being taken away from you is if you truly understand the law of having a license as a sponsor, understanding the systems in place, understanding the UK immigration laws, and understanding your duty as a sponsor. If there ever is a need for you to get a lawyer, perhaps because you need more understanding, then you should certainly do so, because revocation, like I said, is a serious thing and it can also affect your employees. So if you ever need assistance, BWF are here to assist you. So yeah, that is my little summary for today. I hope we all learned something new. Thank you.
Thank you, Lawyer Deborah. Hey, Lawyer Deborah, who started court? I invite him. Now, I'm sure say now defend you. Why? All right, thank you very much. Uncle Ben, I've got just 18 seconds question bi wa ha. With the my promising if I can afe no de aba. Nti membo ni titi na yen bana afe yemfa yen sam yemfa yedumade ni nyina embe wie yempa ocho. Wadaroma.
Well, lawyer
Hello,
Deborah,
good morning,
starting
madam.
with any cases. So, oh,
Mate,
okay. Okay, but wait until.
quickly, Mpacho. 18 seconds.
Hello, good morning, madam. Mpacho, my question person maybe say ke worker no application fee no mpacho sen and a NHS fee no so sen. The question ni na no. That's it. Bye.
Papa. Na say we dey wo gogo na ko hwe o de be je ko go bisa gogo.
Okay, and care workers and a bit more home immigration skills charge. About 1,000 and BB and cost near 190 now. Would you my 1,000? Everyone said just under 1,200. That is two issue cost. Wow, my students, no, and you no mutia skills, and yet immigration health surcharge, Mr. And immigration health surcharge. So will be a care now could immigration health surcharge, and not just a nipana or issue cost, no. So you cannot tiase because can he be anyone also immigration health surcharge? Adio mutua immigration skills charge. ISC. ISC.
Controversial. Mo nim difference na wo mienu ne mo.
Now, unim difference say I will say ubisa at the point in say nipa na o issue no or the card in the bitua.
Okay.
Nti plaza 199 no what the count yemfa 1,200 sana ubitua for 3 years there. So 5 years you know, is slightly more, but you know, and yet too much. Yeah, I think a year and a year about £300 or so. To say 5 years at 300,005 plus a 199, to about 1,000 and 1,007. And no, a compulsory for more fee outside and a compulsory for some of the people. Your friend be your friend new entrant, and you'll be a or 25 students in the UK, and I will be a or your student on your Jumada. Omo ye new entrant. Omo no muntua immigration skills charge na e free.
Okay.
COS no fee obetua 199, but you need
Right.
to ask. Why asa no? Your application no ha 249. So open priority a 749. Your application no priority to 749, but fee nangasa 249. What they cut 1,700 and 1,200 no one. Sana de bema.
Okay.
Menim sɛ ɔmo ba no obi wɔ hɔ a ɔmo tua administrative fee kakra na ɔmo tua ɔmo ticket. Cost no obiara deɛ yɛ different. But
Sana.
ɔfɛle COS na home office bisa wo sɛ nipa na ɔba no obetua sika bi ama wɔn na they do ask. Ɛwɔ so yɛ ɔmo bisa ti obetua sika bi ama wɔn ɔbɛbisa. Wɔyɛ apply for license no so a ɔmo bisa sɛ saa nneɛma yɛ a wakan sɛ wɔbɛyɛ ama nipa no obetua sika bi ama wɔn na. And on the forms, you know, I was so kind of so bit yes,
Okay, nti Uncle Ben, on that note, no, ye be trap so na emrepemo ye be bisa because obi nso bisa senti sa code we no ono employee na ye fa no no so tua na say employer na ono ba be fa no so tua na me see on your fa question into nchen answer.
Okay, and where your question a home office in the business says immigration skills charge one a bit here. It's on the business by expense.
Yes.
For other businesses, you know, it's in the thousands to work for one person. It may be as much as 15,000 for one business, for big businesses. You know.
Okay.
It's in the thousands. And listen, a business decision, and as I've always said, you know, me lawyer, no me business decision. What we do is to provide you legal advice. So, I may offer opinion. I can offer opinion on a lot of things, but my opinion no nye legal advice.
Exactly.
Say a idea in your law, by a law there. Now I'm offering it as your lawyer. Then I'm also under a duty. Say idea make culture be should be legal. Yeah.
Yo, Uncle Ben should be legal on that note. Or just draw the curtains. If till for natural for Yadamasi say my in 6 minutes, and with that some more share. And Yamen Shramon, Uncle Ben be my last words now for the sorry na Nansana or Bebano, Miss Remo, Miss Sambo Monkayo, the community and the law ebebaso. Some of the questions, I say, Bimudi questions be about ye, no, yes, and I mean to me, voice note bear me and some kwana, but Miss Remo. Mentumi embo nti ba promise you nyame adom a otie ye ochena 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock na mebo wo honom ama yetie na ebisa ya ma o answer wo ho to make a date with us ochena the community and the law until then Uncle Ben Pacho then now the beja ye answer ne asori akọ.
Well, my tea, I did the beja mo say bibia ye bia e wo ho nsusan. We as more community lawyers, you know, yeah, the information bremo. I hope some of it digest. It is also for a preacher was sorry. Dodo na abeko mutiri mom de beye adwuma. Den a ebenyo bia abeko nitiri mom fanya adwuma. Obi nso wo ho a ono no cost na na ohwe value. And as I've always said, you know, with everything that I do, you know, once I see the difference between cost and value, you know, maybe I have a view. Because so you spend money on it. But there's value in what you're spending the money for. And for me, I've never, ever thought that many will be there now. Yes, that I don't. It's not my policy. My policy is, idea who free mono, I beneficiary na. We call it a business brand. We went through our cost and value. You know, we did the analysis for almost 30 minutes. Anyway, eventually, come baby. But I understand, sir, people will make their decision based on their pocket instead of the outcome.
Yeah. And okay. Yo, thank you very much, Etil, for you can say homa tintin bia o betwe a o sha se o nim makanisa yeah. So whatever we do, we'll start from somewhere and we'll end at a particular place. Into no madam as say nte mo betie yen na mo fanche me earlier on no may comport to my idea cry, but nyame ekra ye mu enye de bia na onya good news early in the morning sano na hard dream. Into no madam as say or try make a date with us na mo meka ye ho na yenye the community and the law. Until then nyame ka ye ho. Have a lovely weekend. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214-218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.